Bow down together. Sit.
Slowly.
Bow down and sit. Bow down and sit. Bow down and sit. Don't feel bow down and sit. Bow down.
Three times. Hold down.
Just like that.
Three times.
Bow down. Bow down and go.
Good job, Jaina.
Good job. Good job.
Yes.
If you need cushions, there are cushions you can use, okay? Take one of those red cushions so you can sit on there. Oh, you red cushion law. Cushion law, unitun.
Anybody want cushion? You want cushion? Cushion is here. Anybody want cushion? Anybody want? Daddy want? Jenna, you want?
No. No one wants.
Anybody want cushion? Anyone?
Sige, doraman na lang. Okay?
Okay.
Where's your paper?
I already have one.
Not that one.
I don't have one.
Really?
I don't have one.
Paper on, 5 precepts paper on?
I don't have one.
I take refuge in the Buddha. The one? Yeah, take it out.
I don't
Take it
have,
out.
I don't have one.
Where is yours then?
I don't have one.
Rajgir, last week you got one, right? Did you come last week?
Yes. No. I didn't.
When? So you came.
You don't have this one?
I don't have that one.
Oh. Okay, then I have to print it out then.
I
Where?
didn't. I
Not
didn't.
have.
I didn't come last
Finger,
Sunday.
one finger, white can finger there. Why don't
How
you?
many you have? Bottle Talaga? The one? This one right now. This one? Yeah. Okay. How about you?
Forby, Dolby, Gunguni. Jaina. Now Jaina is in sky now. She is taller than everyone. It's because you are sitting on a cushion. So now you are higher than all the other people. Bobby? Dolby? Two drago chuchidu. Bano go arane. Oh, Aragon. Oh, I don't know. I said it's good. I good on drago. Busan they got it to drago chuchi. They got more. Oh, two chibi no, the jibi good chibi ho. They got who chuch. Ah, here. Here, I got you. Here.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm.
My face is
Exactly. Wow, good job. Yes,
my face
Roger.
is ripped.
Maybe-
It's ripped apart.
Maybe you just. How did it happen?
Because I did nothing. I was sitting here and then.
Yeah, that's your fault. You have to be careful. Oh, Jenna, you don't have one? Okay, Bhante is printing for you, okay? Who don't have 5 pieces of papers? Raise your hands. Kyrie, Jaina, Gungun, Adora. Oh, Rodri, you don't have it either? Okay. Yeah. Oh, so you need two. Dolby? Bhante도 자, Bhante를 하고 자. Bhante 7 copy লাগিব हो जा. Bhante 7 copy লাগিব हो जा. 7 copy. Gung, if you mother done if he aga, he aga you. You don't know? Molagalo ho bari gung. Oh, huge. Bana ko copy. Oh, Bandar use 7 copy huge. Oh yeah. Taking refuge in the triple gem. I take refuge in the Buddha because the Buddha is like a doctor who understands our disease of sorrows and sufferings and knows how to treat them. I take refuge in Dhamma because the Dhamma is the supreme teaching of the Buddha, which is like medicine he prescribes for the suffering world. I take refuge in the Sangha because the Sangha is the noble monastic disciples of the Buddha who help us to take the medicine. Second time, third time, 5 precepts. Okay, who can tell me how many gems are there? Rasgir, how many gems?
4.
4 gems? Really? Read the paper first. How many gems? What is written on top? What is written on top?
What?
What is written on top?
What's the one that comes?
Huh? No, it's above it.
Oh.
What is it?
Taking refuge in the triple gem.
So how many gems?
3.
Yes. 3 gems. So who knows what are those 3 gems? How about Kyrie? Do you know those gems? Jana?
Gem.
How about Gungun? Do you know the gem? What are they?
Gem.
Yeah, so what are the gem? 3 gems.
Gems.
3 gems? How about Dolby? Do you know those triple gems? Those 3 gems?
Gems.
What? Yeah, so what are the 3 gems?
3 gems.
3 gems? Yeah. Okay, let me see. How about Radri? Do you know those triple gem? Adora? 나는 후루 흘른 거 뭐 hiểu.
What?
Bornil Jimmy, họ triple gem 하래요. Uh-huh. Yes. Jenna, now you know the triple gem? What the triple gem? She just said now. She just said. Triple gem. Kyrie, did you hear? What are the triple gem? Triple gem. Jenna? You didn't? Okay. Jimmy, tell them. Teach too. What is the triple gem? Jenna? Jenna? Okay, just say 1. At least 1. Yes, Buddha. How about Kyrie? The second one? Huh? Okay, how about Razgir? Dhamma and
Sangha.
Exactly, correct. Good job, Razgir. So the triple gem means 3 gems. Gems mean because they are so valuable. They are invaluable. There is no values in the Buddha. There is no values in the Dhamma and Sangha. That's why we call them gem, because they are so much valuable in our life. That's why we call them triple gem. Or we call in Pali, we call them Tiratana. What is it? Say it loud. Tiratana. Jaina, what is it? Tiratana. Repeat it. Tiratana. Tana. Tiratana. Tiratana. Yes. That's in Pali, okay? And in English we call them triple gem. There's 3 gems: Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Good, good. What is triple gem? You don't know?
I know.
Dolby? Triple gem? What are the triple gem? 3 gems. Only 3. What are the gems? What are the gems? Yeah, what are they? Buddha? Yes! That's the triple gem. Parbi, what is the triple gem? Yes, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. That's the triple gem. So do you see the Buddha? Where is Buddha now? Do you see the Buddha here?
Yeah, right over there.
Yes, that's our Buddha. Buddha, and the Dhamma means whatever he taught, okay? The teachings of Buddha. And Sangha means all of us or the monks. Monks and Sangha means monks. Do you know what is monks? Who are monks? Do you have any monks here? Jenna, do you have any monks here? Do you have any monks here? Huh? Do you have any monks here?
I don't have any more.
Monks? Do you know the monks? Bhante? Where the Bhante?
The monks.
Yes. How many Bhantes here?
3.
2.
2.
Yeah, you and me.
Okay. 4B. Yes.
That's for 4B. Okay, now we will here.
Okay, we'll start.
Give
Okay?
give
We'll
to
start
the
with
Gungun. That's for you. Oh, okay, you have one.
5 precepts,
So all of you got the papers, right?
training rules. How many training rules do you have? 5.
5.
They are called 5 precepts or Panchasila. Okay.
And how many gems? 3. Yes. Now you got it, Jaina. Good job. Okay, tell them, Jaina. Tell them. What is triple gem? Tell to the Bhante. Tell. Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Yeah. Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. That's a triple gem. For me, what a triple gem? Yes, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha.
Okay, everyone sit straight. Rajgir, straight. Yeah. Yeah. Join your palms on your chest. Yeah. And bow down 3 times. 2, 3. Can you say Namo Tassa 3 times now?
Namo Tassa.
Hey, together.
All together. Teamwork, okay? Teamwork.
Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Bow down 1 time. Now say Okasa Vandavi Bhante. 이쪽에 비치는 소리 날려다. Bhante Dwarasena Katam Shabam Aparadam Kamatame Bhante Dutiyampi Okasa Vandami Bhante Dwarasena Katam Shabam Aparadam Kamatame Bhante Dutiyampi Okasa Vandami Bhante Dwarasena Katam Shabam.
Next time we leader live. Next time we leader live.
Okay, bow
Back on
down.
hold apa?
Okay, now Okasa Aham Bhante Tisaranena Sa. Okasa Aham Bhante Tisaranena Sa.
Saha Panchasilang Dhammang Yachami Anugahang Katva Silang Deta Me Bhante.
Dutiyampi Okasa Aham Bhante Tisaranena Saha Panchasilang Dhammang Yachami Anugahang Katva Silang Deta Me Bhante. Tatiyampi Okasa Aham Bhante Tisaranena Saha Panchasilang Dhammang Yachami Anugahang Katva Silang Deta Me Bhante. Okay, I'm giving you the 5 precepts now. Okay, so beginning at the beginning. Huh?
What's 5 precepts?
Just
You're
one
going to read. You're going to read it now.
precepts. 5 training rules. No killing, no stealing, like that.
5 practice.
5 training rules.
5 training rules.
Yeah, these are. Okay, here we start from here.
8.
Okay. Yamahang vadami tang vadeta. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Repeat after. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Okay, you read that one. I take refuge
I take refuge
in the Buddha.
because the Buddha is a powerful undertakes of the deeds of the sorrow and suffering and knows how to treat of the faithful.
Dhammang saranang gacchami. I take refuge in the Dhamma because the Dhamma is the supreme teaching of the Buddha, which is life, medicine, his steps for the suffering world. Sanghang saranang gacchami. I take refuge in the Sangha because the Sangha is the noble monastic disciples of the Buddha who help us to take that medicine. Dutiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami. For the second time. Dutiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. For the second time. Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Say with me. Dutiyampi. Sangachami. Say with me. Can you say? Repeat after me, okay? Now.
Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi. Buddham saranang gacchami. Yeah.
Tatiyampi dhammang saranang gacchami. For the third time.
It's just like medicine.
Tatiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami. For the third time.
To take that medicine.
Okay, now. Visarana gamanang sampunnang Panatipata veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Reading. Adinadana veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Beware of the pains and suffering caused by exploitation. Kamesu miccācara veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Kamesu miccācara veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Beware of the pains and suffering caused by Musavada veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyami. Suramere Majjapama Dattana Veramani Sikkhapadang Samadhiyami. Imang tisaranena saha panchasilang dhammang sadukang surakkitang katva appamadena sampadeta. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Okay, Sabba Pavasa 3 times together, okay? Sabba Pavasa akaranam kusarasa upasampada Sacitta pariyodapanam etang buddhana sasanam. Sabba pavassa akaranam kusalassa upasampada Sacitta pariyodapanam etang buddhana sasanam. Sabba pavassa akaranam kusalassa upasampada Sacitta pariyodapanam etang buddhana sasanam. Rajgir, you're good, but you're too quick.
We need teamwork. Next time we need
Go
teamwork.
together, okay? Because that's what we learn discipline. We go together. I know you can read faster. I know you can read better.